Jesus! Are you ready? Are you ready? Fullest. So let's do a quick unboxing. I purchased this clay mat, is that how you call it? For underneath the table. You guys know I used to have a carpet, but I removed that carpet because of the chair that I purchased. It wasn't like sliding well, and the chair on the floor, I don't really like the sound, and it's also actually not good for the floor. It might end up giving the floor some scratches. So I purchased this clay mat. So I want to do an unboxing on it because I haven't actually opened it. I got this now for a while now, but I really didn't have time to open it because work, and when I'm back home, I just wanted to do what I want to do. You understand? So hopefully it fits and I don't have to return it back. Is de bovenste, welke is de onderste? I think he has to. Is it? It's not really that big. It's just something small. Yeah. Okay. Jesus. Jesus. Yes. Oh my God. I hope my print is not kaput. I'll test it. But first, let me check this. This thing is not good anymore, so they're coming to fix it. I feel like this is perfect. Perfecto. Yeah. Jesus, what is wrong with me today? Jesus. What is on the hand? Met de Mari vandaag. Nee, we kunnen. Come and spoil though. Don't spoil though. As I am now, I'm too rich to buy a new one. I am too rich to buy anything right now. So we can don't come and spoil. Yeah. Oh, this is perfect. Perfecto. Yeah. Yeah. This is. Come down soon. This is perfect. Okay. It's nice. Just that it has to stretch out a little bit. I'm thinking of painting this wall, changing the color because of all the kids' finger, hand mark on the wall. But at this point of my life, I'm not going to lie, I'm really, really lazy. I'm tired. I really don't have any strength to do anything right now at this moment, because I do have some few projects that I'm working on right now that I really want to focus on it right now. I don't want to be doing multitasking. Like, if it's not important, if it can wait, I would rather let it wait. But I don't want to be doing multitasking on things that I know that I still have time to do it. You understand? If I don't have time, then I don't mind, then I'll do it. But for this particular one right now, I can still do it at any time. It's not compulsory that I must do it immediately, so I'm not in a hurry. I'm just going to squeeze. Yesterday I did my tax reports. Ha! I went and did my tax reports and everything. What is this children's stuff doing in my bag? I went and did my tax reports and all those amazing stuff that comes with it. And I have to pay tax. I really don't like paying tax, but I have to. So that's what I did yesterday. But yeah, you know what? Het is goed hoor. Het is goed, geen probleem. Het is prima. It's good, no problem. Put this bag back. This is my office. I only use this bag when I'm going for any business appointment. It's not business appointment, I'm not using this bag. That's my laptop bag. Okay. This one is going in here because I'm not going anywhere anytime soon to do any work for now. Where did I take this bag actually? Where did I take this from? I think it was here. I think it wasn't here. Yeah. What's that? Yes. So now let's start putting things back. Let me put this thing back first and check. Oh good, it's working. Because honestly speaking, ik ben te rijk nu om nog iets anders te kopen. Snap je? Ik ben gewoon te rijk. I'm too rich to be buying anything right now. Maybe in the future. But as I am right now, this girl is too rich to be buying anything. Okay, so this box can go. How much did I purchase this? Oh. What did they send me? Oh, they give me a pen. Wow. A pen, yeah. Yeah, you have to put something heavy on it so that it can stretch out. I read that. They actually gave me a pen, an office pen. This is the name of the company where I purchased the mat from. If you live in Holland, you want to support, they sent me a pen and noem je dit, een candy, een snoep, a muntje. Let me try it first before these children come and finish everything. Lekker. I got a new pen for my office. Over here. Oh, this is Accolade. Put this one here. There's nothing more in it. Do you guys have any goodies Like, one thing about me, I love opening new packages. I don't know, like, I love opening new packages. Like, I love opening new things. So I'm going to give this place a quick vacuum. This thing has to, it will take a time, some minutes. It will spread out nicely. But for now, I feel like this is really good like this. It's much more better like this. I like it this way. I'm thinking, should I shift? No, it's good this way. Let me just give it a quick vacuum and vacuum the living room, wipe everything down, and I'm ready. The finished result. I really love the mat on the floor because it really helps protect the floor and also makes the stool move smooth, a little bit more smoother. So yeah, this is it. I hope you all like this. Everything for me is step by step. I do things little by little and I learn as I grow older. I learn and I just do things at my own time. At my own time, when it's timing for me, I just do things little by little. Life is not a competition. It's a journey. I'm enjoying my own process of the journey. So yeah, this is it. I hope you all like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook page. All the links will be down in the description box. Just want to share it with you guys and I'll see you all in my next video. Team Fullest, heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat mij weten in de comment box. And I'll see you all in my next video. Peace out. Peace out. Doeg. Bye.